In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect rows to Notion using bulk import and the API. We'll take you through a straightforward process to bring your data into Notion efficiently, especially if you're working with a large amount of information in a CSV format. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Notion page where you intend to import your data. Open up your Notion workspace and select the page or create a new one, if necessary, where you need the information to reside. This is an important step because each Notion page is like a blank slate that can be filled with whatever data you need to organize. Once your Notion page is open, you'll need to initiate the CSV import process. Simply type /CSV into the page. The slash is a shortcut in Notion that helps you quickly access different features and commands without having to navigate away from the current page. Once you type /CSV, you'll see an option to choose a CSV file. This feature is particularly useful for users who manage data-heavy projects and want to ensure that all their information is centralized in one place. After selecting the CSV option, you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. Locate the file you want to import on your computer. Make sure it's the correct file, as CSV is a common format used for datasets and spreadsheets and includes all your needed data. Simply drag and drop the file or use the upload button. This will begin the process of bringing your data into Notion. As your file uploads, Notion will transform the rows of your CSV file into a structured format right on your page. This seamless integration means you can immediately start organizing and analyzing your data without needing additional tools or manual entry. It's important to note that keeping your CSV file organized prior to import can save you a lot of hassle later on. Make sure your headings and data are formatted correctly so that once they're in Notion, everything is clear and easy to navigate. Importing data into Notion through CSV not only provides a way to keep your workspace in sync with external data, but it also enhances the collaborative aspect of Notion.